Think of every load like a puzzle. The center of gravity, that's your secret cheat code. Shift it and your crane dances. Ignore it and your lift turns into chaos. It's not just physics. It's reading the weight, feeling the balance, predicting the move before it happens. Every hook, every chain, every strap tells a story if you listen. Get it right and heavy becomes graceful. Upworx, upwards and onwards.